Incidence of Crime and Effectiveness of Interventions in the National Capital Region, Evidence from Panel Data. So pinapakita dito ano ba ang effective na interventions para doon sa mga districts sa Metro Manila. Particularly, tinutukoy dito, ayon sa abstract, may mga effective pero not all. Depende sa police district. Ano-ano nga ba ito? Dahil merong mga krimen na laging nangyayari sa ating syudad, gaya ng robbery, theft, carnapping, and motor napping for two-wheel vehicles. So, ang ginamit nila dito, intervention, yung number of checkpoints, upland bakal, number of beat patrols, saka yung mobile patrols. Ang pag-aaral na ito ay district-level analysis of crimes and interventions. Statistical treatment, negative binomial regression model for panel data is used to quantify the effect of the intervention on the incidence of index crimes. The result shows that some, but not all, of these interventions are effective in reducing crimes. The result also shows differences in the effects of the intervention across different districts.